there. Someone walks in there just like, what are you guys? And someone walks up and bangs you guys out stuff. Kind of
Yep. Is there still
And at the same time, if a traitor is discovered in the trust bus, and he has his 10-second immunity to run away, you can't follow him. He can just run off in a direction and you better not follow him, okay?
And you can't shoot, right? For
Correct.
10 seconds you can't shoot.
For the 10 seconds, can't shoot. Now, how this is going to start is we're all going to go out on the field and we're going to form a circle, almost like we're in now. Everybody's going to put their arms in like this, heads down, and eyes closed. Now, if I want somebody to be a traitor in that full circle, I'm going to walk over. I'm going to grab their hand like that. Now, I'm going to grab about 3 people's hands. Don't do anything until I say it. When I say traitors, eyes up. Only the traitors will look up. They'll look around to see who the other traitors are. You guys will know who your teammate is. I'll say traitors, eyes down. Obviously, eyes down. Then everybody heads up. Now, nobody is truly sure who the traitor is. Then, when everybody's eyes are up, I will assign one detective. It could be anybody of my choosing. And then I will give you all 10 seconds to get away from me. Once that 10 seconds is up, the game is on. And you all are trying to figure out who the traitor is. Now, there's something that I want everybody to be aware of. If you're a traitor and you get shot, I want you to come stand by me. If you're a traitor and you get shot, come stand by me. If you're anybody else and you get shot, just sit down. Just sit down wherever you are.
Can the innocent shoot?
The innocent can shoot.
Dang.
However, if you shoot another innocent, if you're innocent and you shoot another innocent, you just lost your gun. You can't use it anymore.
Hell no.
No, not even
PUBG.
that.
Run! PUBG! He's got to jump.
No? You can use any gun.
Headshots.
You guys gotta run like
Run around, try to stay alive?
No, you hit a wall and you lose.
Yeah, you don't
Alright
stop.
guys, put your masks on. If you shoot somebody and they are not a terrorist, you can't use it. You have to run around.
The trust bus is the broken Jeep in the back.
It's right there on that hill.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, just so everybody is clear, the trust bus is the Jeep over on that hill. Now, the border of this map, you cannot go past that castle, okay? That castle is the border. You can't go any further past.
Hey, you can shoot into the trust bus, right?
No.
And a 20-foot bang bang rule still counts?
Cannot.
Bang bang rules are still in effect.
Yes. Because I don't want to get shot with
Alright
like
guys,
right here.
circle around me. Get a school circle around me.
Kevin cannot shoot.
Yay!
No, that's not a circle.
Balls and tails. Oh, he's trying to get.
Here's your detective.
Ooh.
You have 10 seconds to get away from me.
Oh. What are you? I can kill you. What are you trading?
Yeah, don't say that. I'll leave you last.
Hey, can I trust you? Whoa, 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 whoa.
No.
My head. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
I have a pretty good assumption of Alex.
Alright, we're good?
I'm not. I'm good. Good.
What's up, YouTube? Okay, so.
Look, guys, I have a pretty good. I think it's an old guy.
Alright, he's the first one to make an assumption. I have a feeling he's a traitor. Guys, I'm not saying.
I just said.
Can I trust you? Stop. Can I come closer? Can I come close? Look, I'm near you? Okay. I can't trust anybody, man. Oh, no.
What? Alex is dead. No, I'm not. Wait, is he dead? No, because I'm not a traitor. Oh.
Actually, but if you give me.
Guns up, hey, guns up. Who
are you? What's you? You can't.
Up.
I don't fucking trust you. Stay back.
The reason I think
Wait, no, come closer so at least go bang.
the reason I think it's an old man.
Yes, do it. Yes, you have 2 guys to do it.
No, I can't use this one.
Shut up.
Ah!
Wait, so what do we do?
Bang, bang.
Do we just stand here?
Next time, defend it again.
Fuck so many people.
So what do we do now? Just chill?
I knew exactly. He was like walking. Everyone sit down and put your hands up.
We're all dead.
We're dead.
Oh, this whole entire group over here is dead. I knew it. I shot him too. I don't know why he didn't call it.
Oh, Neil.
What do we do if we're dead? Oh, Neil.
Neil or...
Oh, we should do another game with this. That's pretty fun.
All right,
Am I bleeding?
Another game.
No.
All right. So I trust Steve with my entire life, right?
What?
Now,
My name's Terrence.
I'm white and I'm listen. This is my personal gun. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire songs. Our CAMPFIRESONG songs. And if you don't think
Should we shoot Eric?
it'll help if you just sing along. Bum bum. CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick. Squidward.
one more time. Come on, that's the short round. One more.
Two more.
Two more.
Hey, double or nothing. 4 more.
Rest of the day.